Huawei recently released their premium P series smartphone. Earlier this week, Huawei launched its latest foldable smartphone, the P50 Pocket, with patent mechanism with no visible gap when closed. The P50 arrived with a number of notable features. The phone resembles Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now all the smartphone brand is in the race of foldable phones. Recently, Oppo released their Oppo Find N, which really quite amazing with amazing specification. I already made a video of it. If you guys haven't watched yet, must check it out. Coming to the Huawei P50 design, Huawei introduced the beautiful versatile design which comes in two designs: Huawei white diamond with shimmer micro glass with 3D micro sculpture. Really you can feel the design in your hands. And the Huawei P50 Pocket Premium Gold Edition with haute couture designer Iris Vein feature the amazing style of flowering pattern in a stunning gold tone with cutting edge technology to create the embossed design, which is really looks versatile. This device is 190 grams with 170 mm to 75.5 mm dimension. On side of the phone you got the power button plus fingerprint scanner, volume rocker, and the dual SIM slot in the bottom, dual speaker grill with USB Type-C port. Huawei P50 has multi-dimensional hinge that folds to fit seamlessly and unfold without any lag, instantly transforming from pocket size. It reminds me the Oppo Find N, which sit on the table of any number of degree, which also have no gap between both screens. Coming to the screen, it's come with massive size of screen, 6.9 inch OLED, 120 Hz, 300 Hz touch sampling rate, 1.7 billion colors with 21:9 ratio display. That means if you have to watch movies on your smartphone, this is the device. 1 billion Nano Optical Layer and 1440 Hz high frequency give you the comfortable view even the low light condition. There is a punch hole selfie camera shooter which contains 10.7 megapixel super portrait super pro with wide angle f2.2 aperture, support up to 3776 by 2832 pixel, HDR panorama 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps with Face ID. Coming to rear camera with triple camera setup, it has 40 megapixel main lens with f1.8 aperture, 30 megapixel ultra wide 120 degree angle camera, f2.2 aperture, and 32 megapixel ultra spectrum lens with f1.8 aperture. A spectrum camera is supposed to do is give you the better reproduction of the color from the picture that you take. Huawei P50 Pocket tries something new with cover display, which is on the back with 1.4 inch circular shape, OLED display, 60 Hz, which you can use for reverse selfie camera and service widget like walking, navigation, music, weather report, incoming calls and texts, and many more. Give you seamlessly convince assess whether it's open or closed. Coming to the specification, it comes with octa-core Snapdragon 888 with Adreno 660 GPU. Huawei White variant has 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM, and P50 Premium Edition comes with 12GB RAM, 512GB ROM. With EMUI 12 operating system, it has 4000 mAh battery with 40 watts fast charging adapter. Huawei P50 Pocket introduced new feature regarding privacy mode. When your phone is fold, camera, mic, and GPS access are disabled, and also some other sensors like gravity, Hall, biometric pressure, ambient light, and 10-channel multi-spectrum sensor. There are lots of phone out there ready to launch, so stay tuned. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribed. My basic goal to complete 100 subscribers before 2022 starts, so keep loving and support. Peace out.